guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make beef dong.
Let's get started.
2 cups of dashi, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of Japanese rice wine, 2 tablespoons of cooking okra sake, 4 tablespoons of sugar. After you put your 5 ingredients into the pan, you would want parental supervision if you're little, and turn on your heat to high. Wait until it boils. Carefully, you add 1 onion sliced. Now we mix. Now we add 1 pound of sliced meat. Wait until the meat is fully cooked. Then we can add 7 slightly scrambled eggs. Lightly scramble your eggs. Put your lightly scrambled eggs inside your dish. Make sure you spread it all over the top. Now put a cover and set heat to medium. Wait until your egg is fully cooked. 5 minutes probably is enough. It's been a few minutes, so I think our egg is done. Let me check. Looks like it's ready. Turn your heat off. This is what our beef dong looks like. Looks tasty. Yum. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!